Pisces. Hello, Pisces. Welcome. We're going to get into a general read for you today. Current energy. Two of Cups. Ooh. Has somebody found somebody? All right. Clarifying the Two of Cups, Pisces, we have the King of Swords, the Page of Cups, and the Nine of Pentacles. You may be looking very critically at a connection. Somebody may have come forward with the Page of Cups here, or maybe you're thinking about that. And the Nine of Pentacles. So hoping this person comes forward because they're stable. Maybe you're just tired of being alone with the Nine of Pentacles here. Kind of an interesting start. When we look to the desire, we see the three. We'll take it. We see the Three of Cups. This is followed by the Two of Wands, the Nine of Wands, and the Five of Pentacles. Pisces, you may be holding a lot of cards to your chest. You may just be holding back. I get this type of thing, like... Anyway, with the Three of Cups, you may be wanting to reconnect with somebody. This person could be family, this could be friends, this could be exes, whatever. But there is this want for reconnection. We see the Two of Wands, the Nine of Wands, and the Five of Pentacles. You may be saying to yourself, I hear the words, and I've heard this before from someone, I don't chase. So you're busy thinking about this reconnection. Two of Wands, you're not doing anything about it. You're just thinking about it. It's difficult, and it's making you feel insecure. Or there's the possibility of being insecure. There's also the possibility of rejection. Six of Wands. Six of Wands shows up as what is happening in the near future. So maybe for some of you, you get a promotion, and that sort of brings happiness. With Page of Wands, somebody comes in with a message. Nine of Cups, and then the Knight of Swords. So this comes in as like, oh, this could be a very successful venture. It could be for some of you that it's like you're putting on the air of, and I'm really itchy all of a sudden. This is weird. There's a message, but you feel that you're in your own sort of element. And then the Knight of Swords, you're like, nope, gone. This is a weird read. The energies are really weird. I'll be honest. Like, they're very, very scattered. Like hurting, not hurting, hurting cats. Six of Wands, okay? Just a lot of cats there. So looking at the future, maybe you're seeing yourself as the prize. Page of Wands, somebody comes in with a message. This seems very successful to you. And then the Knight of Swords, they are possibly quick to take action. The weird thing is that the Seven of Swords is what is working for you. Life seems like a battle. It may be unfair. It may feel like it's unfair. The Ace of Wands, the Ace of Cups, and the King of Cups. New life, new love, and maybe you're trying to be emotionally distanced from things. Maybe you're looking at new life. You know, it's not fair that you don't have the life that you want. It's not fair that you don't have the love that you want. And I get this as some type of motivation. Kind of weird. I'll be honest, it's a weird read. I didn't even want to use this deck, but I was inspired to pick it up anyway. Maybe because we were wrestling cards. Anyway, we have the Sun card, which I held up earlier. It's clarified by the Queen of Pentacles, the Ten of Swords, and the Eight of Pentacles. This is what you need to be aware of. Everything's okay. You know, financially, things look good. It's possible that there is an upset there, and that upset is to get you to work on you with the Eight of Pentacles. We have this... we have the Six of Cups, the Five of Wands, the Fool, and the Hermit. This is very scattered because this goes back to what we were talking about earlier. We have the Six of Cups. This is reuniting with somebody from the past. The Five of Wands. There may be some hurt feelings here. There may be some expressions of anger. And that shouldn't surprise you. But it should give you food for thought with the Hermit. So we have the Fool and the Hermit. And then I'm inspired to take another card, which is the Seven of Cups. So with the Seven of Cups, there's all these options that start running in your head as you possibly reconnect with this person. You go through that sort of say aggravation, airing lost. No, that's not the right term. Airing past grievances, I guess you would say. With the Fool, this may become very, very surprising. Or maybe this whole thing about getting back to in connection with this person is very surprising. And it causes you, again, to withdraw and think about your options. So, Pisces, scattered read. Interesting, scattered read. Hopefully this makes sense to some of you. It's not making a whole lot to me. So best of luck this week. We'll see you next time. Stay safe.